Hi. We have a Vaillant EcoTec Plus boiler. The display on the boiler is completely blank and we have no heating on hot water. I've tried switching it off and on again at the mains, but that makes no difference. Any suggestions? Thanks.
Welcome. The first thing to do is to ensure there is power to the boiler. Check the breaker panel in the house for a trip breaker. If the boiler plugs in, plug a vacuum cleaner into to see if it will operate. If none of that resolves the problem, the next step is to check for voltage inside the boiler itself, by removing the cover and using a multimeter to do some tests. If you are capable and safe taking such measures, let me know how far you want to go in those directions. We can proceed from there.
Hi, I believe there is power as there's a switch next to the boiler. When I switch it off, I can tell that the power has gone. I don't have the equipment, or ability, to test it further.
Hello again. These issues tend to be related to bad internal electrical connections or failures in the system's electronics. If you can tell me which direction you are from the center of the nearest town or city and which nation, I can most likely locate some service shops that deal in that brand in your area.
Hi, thanks. I think I need to contact a boiler engineer to sort this out. I suspect the electrics or the PCB may have blown, so it looks like it needs an expert engineer to come to our house to sort it out. Thanks for your advice.
If you need help in locating an engineer, tell me which direction you are from the center of the nearest town or city and I can most likely find you one or two. Phil.
Thanks. I found a couple via Google and am contacting them now. Thanks.
You could have a blown 24-volt fuse on the control board. If you know where the control board is, please check to see if it looks blown. Turn the power off before you check this, but your best decision is a boiler service tech. Be sure to tell them what you have. Not all plumbers work on these. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.